is still to come to the stage. Armenia's Anna GOVELYAN next to lift. Anna attempting a 97. This is her third and final lift.
Uses the bounce at the bottom. Can she stand? Yes, she can. That would have taken an enormous amount out of her legs. It's taking a long time to steady herself. That bar on the windpipe. That's it. Game over.
What a disappointment for GOVELYAN. That 97 lift would have put her into the medals. It's a no lift. Her competition is over.
Well, we just see there the dip. Mistimed it. That's because the bar was on a windpipe, stopping the oxygen to the brain. She went dizzy.